Alright guys, we're here at the North Georgia Chalet Dillard house. We're at the Chalet number 21. I wanted to kind of give you all a walk around before everybody else gets here of kind of what to expect. Super nice. Well, for a mountain lodge for a large family. Can't expect a Ritz-Carlton, but so you park on the back. And then you got a walk around deck overlooking a real steep front yard. So if you go around the corner here, right down is the pool and the trout pond. And so we're going to go inside and check it out. So there is a fireplace.
Good and clean.
So here's the back door where we park at. I'm going to take you upstairs first. So this is the upstairs, considered a 2-bedroom. They have 2 beds on this side. Look to be maybe full-size beds. A little sitting area. Chest of drawers, window with a little sitting area, and a closet. And the identical thing on this side.
Grady, you scared me to death. I thought an animal was going to get me.
And have a bathroom.
I gotta turn on fans up here.
Madison. Got a laundry room here as you walk in the back door. Goes into downstairs. Haven't been down here yet. Oh, this is the pool, the game area. Turn some lights on. Let me turn some more lights on. Find the switches. So there's another chimney down here. And there's a pool table with seating area. Another living room area here. This door, I assume, goes out to the front yard. And then you have a bathroom here. So it looks like a humidifier. You got a bathroom, pedestal sink, a stand-up shower. See what's behind door number 3. Oh, just a damp basement. The door probably should be locked. Let's see what's here. Just a utility closet with hot water heaters. Go back upstairs and show you the living area. So here's the kitchen. What's in here? Pantry?
Yeah.
Cooker and stuff. That door there goes out to the porch.
We can, but we can probably need our bags in.
I thought that light turned. So here's one bedroom. This is probably another full size. It's got a pretty decent closet. Right across from it, got heat lamps up there. So it's got a pretty sizable bathroom with a regular bath, shower combo. Another closet. This looks like I got a king size bed, maybe king or queen. It's a good size room. Guess this would be the master because it has a bath on it. It's got a little tub in it. It's got a good sized closet. And across from the master, this may be a full, or it might be a queen. I don't know. I can't tell. It's got a good sized closet there. And that's it, guys. So, like, subscribe. Maybe it's helped somebody out that's looking to come and visit this particular house. Till next time.